Arrange the required equipments and tools. Clean waste clothes. Polythene cover to keep the HP pipes. Arrange the protection caps for nozzle, injector, rail, injector back leak, HP pipes, back leak hose. Clean the engine surrounding area near all the FIE products. Before starting the activity, wear hand gloves.
Apply pressurized air of 4 bars over the engine area to clean the dust and dirt present in and around the engine. If required, use cloth to clean the engine area.
The injector back leak hose is disconnected from the injector, and at the same time, the injector back leak is enclosed with the injector back leak protection cap. The solenoid connector is disconnected from all the injectors by using the nose plier. After removing the connector, the HP pipes fitted over the injector and rail is removed by using 17mm spanner.
And then it is removed simultaneously from both the rail outlet side as well as from the injector side.
The HP pipe is loosened simultaneously from both ends of the pipe. And attaching the HP pipe protection caps at both the ends. While removing the HP pipe from both the injector and rail, injector protection cap and rail outlet protection cap must be fixed in the respective places. The removed HP pipes are placed inside a cleaned polythene cover.
Clamp nut is removed from the injector clamp by using a socket of suitable size as mentioned in the service manual.
The injector must be removed without damaging the nozzle tip and ensure whether the copper washer is present in the injector or not. If the copper washer is not present in the injector, then check the cylinder bore for the copper washer. After removing the injector from the cylinder bore, cover the nozzle tip with nozzle protection cap and place the injector in a cleaned injector tray.
While removing the injectors from the cylinder bore, it is must to cover the cylinder bore with the filter paper to prevent the entry of dust into the cylinder bore. Arrange the removed injectors, based on the cylinder order, in a cleaned injector tray and do remember the cylinder order. If not, then it results in I3C reflashing issues.
Now clean the cylinder bore by using pressurized air at 4 bars to remove any contaminants from the cylinder bore, or use a clean filter paper to wipe the contaminants inside the cylinder bore. Remove the old copper washer from the injector and replace it with a new copper washer of same specification. Mount the new copper washer over the nozzle tip. Provide a gentle blow over it to seat the copper washer in the injector.
While placing the injectors in the engine, ensure whether it is placed in the correct cylinder. Remove the nozzle protection cap from the injectors and place it carefully inside the cylinder bore. After placing the injectors inside the cylinder bore, tighten the clamp nut with suitable socket as mentioned in the service manual. Apply the same procedure for all the other injectors. And apply torque as mentioned in the service manual. Apply the same procedure for all the other injectors. Solenoid connectors are again fitted to the injectors, and confirm that the connectors are fitted properly with the click sound. Also verify that the solenoid connectors possess the rubber seal within the connectors while fitting it to the injectors. Connect the back leak hose after removing the back leak protection cap from the injectors. Apply the same procedure for all the other injectors.
Remove the injector protection caps and rail protection caps from the injector and rail outlet respectively, and connect the HP pipes simultaneously on both rail and injector by using 17 mm spanner.
After tightening with spanner, apply suitable torque to the HP pipe as mentioned in the service manual with a torque wrench. After connecting the HP pipes, engine should be started and the system should be checked for leakage.